What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, a new software package is expected to improve productivity at Grant Insurance. However, because of training and implementation costs, savings are not expected to occur until the third year of operation. At that time, saving of $10,000 are expected, increasing by $1,000 per year for the following 5 years. After this time, 8 year from implementation, the software will be abandoned with no scrap value. How much is the software worth today at 15% interest? Now let's see how to find this one. To find this one, first we have to find P2, because the generic formula is P0 is equal to P2 times P over F. The percentage is 15%, 2. This is the general formula. So first we have to find out P2. To find out P2, first we had to find out what is A is, because P2 is basically A times the percentage. Here the percentage is P A over G. A over, not A over G, it's actually A times P over A, because it's present. So P over A, the percentage of interest is 15%, and total is 6 years. Okay, so 6 right here. And to find out A, this is a formula. A is equal to A prime plus G, A over G I N. Now A prime is the initial value, that's at the time the saving of 10,000 are expected, that's A prime, 10,000 plus 1,000 per year, that's G, 1,000, and A over G, and percentage of interest is 15%, and number of years is 6. Now this is our A value. Now P2 is, we have to multiply this one with this. So this is going to be 10,000 plus 1,000 A over G, 15%, 6, P over A, 15%, 6. And this is P2. Now let's go ahead and plug it in the main formula. That is P2 is 10,000 plus 1,000 A over G, 15%, 6, and P over A, 15%, 6. This is P2 alone. Now the next thing is P over F, 15%, 2. And if you look at these values in the table, this one is 2.0971, and this one is 3.7844, and this value is 0.75614. And if you calculate this value, that's going to give you 34,616.29, and that's P0. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.